The city and our emergency personnel will continue to work at the Emergency Operations Center to monitor and track the storm and any potential impacts to our region until the storm has passed. At this time, there are no expected changes regarding emergency declarations or evacuations. We have not declared a local state of emergency or an evacuation. Any changes to this will be influenced in the next 12 to 24 hours with information provided by weather experts. If decisions are made on evacuations, and because we're in hurricane season, people should just be ready. This is a good time to know your zone. Go to the Jax Ready app and understand where your zone is. We will be able to prepared and able to quickly engage multiple shelter locations that adhere to COVID-19 guidelines, should that be necessary this time or some point later in the season. Citizens with special needs are asked to register with our emergency preparedness teams at coj.net/special medical needs or 630 City. Thanks to all our partners at the state and federal level, National Guard, National Weather Service, Department of Homeland Security, FEMA, U.S. Coast Guard, State of Florida Emergency Management, Duval County Health Department, and Florida Department of Law Enforcement, and to our local partners at Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, Jacksonville Fire Rescue, Transportation Authority, Jacksport, and our Aviation Authority. And thanks to all of our local media for covering this update. So let's be prepared. Stay tuned to local media so you know what's happening. With that, I'll bring up Mayor Latham.
Thank you for being here today to help share information with the community. We appreciate it. Jacksonville Beach has taken the necessary precautions for the first stages of storm preps, pumping down a lot of reservoirs and retention ponds, things of that nature. And also Beaches Energy will be posting 3 standby crews starting tonight at midnight in the event there's any loss of power due to wind damage or anything of that nature. Mayor Curry said it best, it's important that we be vigilant and continue to be vigilant. We've had the opportunity now to go through this drill several times in the last 7 years, so we've gotten pretty good at responding, but we've also gotten complacent in some areas. So please be careful to be vigilant, pay attention to local media. We'll get the word out to you if anything changes.
If you're planning on coming to the beach, because it does look nice and there certainly are waves, please stay near a lifeguard. These riptides are serious. We've already had incidents out here at the beach. Stay near a lifeguard, be very cautious. Our lifeguard force is full. We have everyone on duty. Our police force, we have everyone on duty, and we're here certainly for any emergencies. Be cautious, be careful. The second thing I want to say is to all of you people out there, this has been a warning to see this hurricane as it's passing us so far out, and more a tropical storm. But this is the year with a pandemic. This is a triple threat to many people and a double threat to all of us. A pandemic and a storm. Get prepared. Put that kit together. Do what they're warning you. You've always said, I'm going to be prepared. I'm going to get ready. This is the year to do it.
I echo what my colleagues, Mayor Curry and the other beach mayors have said, but want to just emphasize that we really do operate with one voice, and all the messaging is going to be consistent between the beach cities and Jacksonville. That's how we've been operating over time, and especially over the last 4 months. So I want to say that experience does count. Even though you see us standing up here, there are countless people behind the scenes that we rely on for the best possible information, so none of us does this alone. So I just want to say that in Atlantic Beach, we have a number of communication platforms for people to check to get information that are non-emergency, and there's always 911 if any of our residents needs anything. But we have done our best to be prepared for this event. Our public works team has pumped down retention ponds of up to 2 million gallons. They've cleaned the ditches, they've mowed the ditch lines. We're ready to remove any trees that are downed. And then of course our police department and the incident management team has been stood up and is working very closely with the city of Jacksonville and their fine emergency preparedness division. So we'll have the people that we need.